All right, 2013 Schwing SP 500, serial number. Right there, 1026. All right, this machine is a complete assembly. We have to refurbish basically the whole unit. As you guys can see, we started already tearing apart a lot of the pump. We started already removing the hopper. We're going to be doing a lot of repairs on it. Let me change the camera here. Here you go. We're gonna be replacing, as we already started though, the tires, the bearings, the brakes, you know, the regular things that we always do on every single one of these pumps anyway. We're gonna be doing the refreshing on the engine. We're gonna be changing filters. We're gonna be replacing here, the starter is missing, so we're gonna replace the starter, have a brand new battery, brand new oil, brand new filters. We'll adjust the valves on this engine. We'll replace the piston cups. I'm gonna show you, we already took apart the hopper. So we're going to be replacing the wear plate. Look at this wear plate. Look at what happens when a wear plate is all messed up. The material cylinders, you guys can see it from here. They're in great shape. There's no rusting and there's no damage. This is not material cylinder. This is just a transition piece. It's just a piece of metal. The actual material cylinder is in there. So we're gonna be replacing the wear plate, the cutting ring, the kidney plate, the kidney seal. I mean, this is a full refurbish. The only thing we're not replacing, as I said again, is the material cylinders. The machine will have new hoses. All of these hanging pieces here, all of that is gonna be replaced. The hand valve there is gonna be replaced. The side gauge here is gonna be replaced. We're gonna replace the oil. We're gonna replace the oil on the engine. We're gonna replace the gauges. We're gonna refresh the whole thing. The machine has, let me see if I have here, because yes, as I was saying, the machine has all the electronics all messed up, meaning all the cables and everything is just a huge mess. So we're gonna be replacing that too. Hydraulic pumps are in great shape. We already pressure tested it and everything. All of this will be replaced. I mean, the machine will be completely clean. I'll show you an example of what it's gonna look like. It's got about 1,000 and 1,100 hours or something like that. It's very low hour machine. It'll look beautiful. Let me show you a sample of what it's gonna look like. So here's a Schwing SP 500. Obviously this is not finished, a finished product, but look at a finished product. One of our finished products. This is how we do it. Fenders, remixer, hopper stuff, you know, all the wear items. Look at the panel. The panel is gonna look just like this. I mean, this is basically a copy of this machine. That machine that you guys saw outside, this is basically how it's gonna look. Obviously this one has been painted originally. We're not gonna paint that one, but once we wash it and clean it up real well, it's gonna look kind of like this. You know, it'll be nice and clean. Obviously this is cleaner, but it's the same rate as that other one, or like this. So essentially, though the other one looks a little rough because of all the parts taken off and how dirty it looks, it'll end up looking like something like this. So this machine has great potential for somebody that is looking to start up in the middle range type of pumping situation. This is I think it's 40 cubic yards an hour, 45 cubic yards an hour. We'll replace the jack. We'll replace all the wiring harness that goes from here to the lights. All of that also is gonna get replaced. So that will be it. Here is a pump that has been completely reassembled by us. This one just came out of the shop, and this was a mess when it came in. So been doing this for 18 years, so we kind of know what we're doing here. And here's another one in the shop too that we're fully refurbishing. This one was just like the 500 I just showed, and then we started redoing all the parts, all the wearable items and stuff like that. So in essence, the product, the final product, is a good quality, beautiful quality product. Alrighty.